Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website with Hostinger. First, you will need to select a hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements, whether it's a small blog or a larger e-commerce store. Next, choose a memorable domain name that represents your brand. Hostinger offers various options, and you can often get a free domain with certain plans. Finally, complete the initial setup steps within your Hostinger control panel to prepare for WordPress installation. Installing WordPress on Hostinger is incredibly straightforward. Hostinger provides an intuitive auto-installer, often called Auto Installer or WordPress Installer, which simplifies the process to just a few clicks. You'll be prompted to enter essential details such as your website's title, an administrative username, and a strong password. After confirming these details, the installation typically completes in under 5 minutes, giving you immediate access to your WordPress dashboard. Once WordPress is installed, it's time for some essential configuration. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and update the general settings, including your site title and a compelling tagline. Next, adjust your permalink structure to a user-friendly and SEO-friendly format, such as postname. This helps search engines understand your content better. Finally, explore the vast library of themes and install one that perfectly matches your website's aesthetic and functionality. With your theme in place, begin populating your website with content. Create your initial pages, like About Us and Contact, and start writing your first blog posts. Consider installing crucial plugins for security, performance, and SEO, such as a caching plugin or a contact form builder. Before launching, meticulously review every aspect of your site, ensuring all links work and content is accurate. Once satisfied, you are ready to go live.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.